Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, where we explore the science that shapes our world and sometimes the world inside us. Today, we're talking about an invisible war raging within your body right now. It's a battle fought not by soldiers but by the trillions of microorganisms that call your gut home. This bustling internal ecosystem, the gut microbiome, is emerging as a powerful and frankly, unexpected ally in the global fight against cancer. This intricate relationship, which scientists call the gut-cancer axis, is completely revolutionizing how we think about cancer prevention and treatment. So how does a healthy gut microbiome act as our inner guardian? Well, a balanced and diverse community of microbes protects us in several ways. First, it tackles chronic inflammation, a known trigger for many cancers. When beneficial bacteria thrive, they produce amazing compounds like short-chain fatty acids, especially one called butyrate. These compounds reduce inflammation and keep our gut lining strong. On the flip side, an imbalance or dysbiosis lets harmful bacteria take over, producing toxins that fuel inflammation and create a perfect environment for cancer to grow. But that's not all. Your gut is a primary training ground for your immune system. Nearly 70% of your immune cells live there. Good bacteria, like species from the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium families, help train these immune cells to recognize and destroy threats, including cancerous cells, before they can ever become tumors. Let's talk more about that super compound I mentioned, butyrate. This is one of the most potent anti-cancer weapons produced by our gut microbes. Our good bacteria generate butyrate when they ferment the dietary fiber we eat. Think of it as a reward for eating your veggies. Butyrate is the main energy source for the cells lining our colon, keeping the gut barrier healthy. But its powers go even further. Studies have shown butyrate can actually trigger programmed cell death in cancer cells, a process called apoptosis, and stop them from spreading. It can even make treatments like radiation and chemotherapy more effective. So a high-fiber diet feeds the bacteria that make butyrate, which in turn creates a healthier colon and lowers your cancer risk. It's a beautiful positive feedback loop. Of course, there's a dark side. When the microbiome is out of balance, some bacteria can become a fifth column, actively helping cancer develop. A prime example is a bacterium called Fusobacterium nucleatum. Typically found in the mouth, it's been strongly linked to colorectal cancer. Research has even identified a specific subtype that is far more common in tumor tissue than healthy tissue, suggesting it helps cancers form and grow by creating inflammation and shielding cancer cells from our own immune system. This brings us to one of the most exciting frontiers in medicine, using the microbiome as an ally in cancer treatment itself. Take immunotherapy, a revolutionary treatment that uses the body's own immune system to fight cancer. It works wonders, but not for everyone. And now we're learning that the patient's gut microbiome is a key reason why. Studies consistently find that patients who respond well to immunotherapy have a more diverse gut microbiome, rich in specific beneficial bacteria like Bifidobacterium, Akkermansia mucinifera, and Faecalibacterium prausnitzii. One incredible study on melanoma patients found that those eating a high-fiber diet, at least 20 grams a day, had a significantly better response to immunotherapy. For every 5-gram increase in daily fiber, the risk of cancer progression dropped by 30%. The microbiome even plays a role in chemotherapy. Certain gut bacteria can help metabolize chemotherapy drugs, boosting their anti-cancer effects while reducing nasty side effects like nausea and fatigue. For example, two species, Enterococcus hyrae and Barnesiella intestina hominis, have been found to enhance the common chemo drug cyclophosphamide by helping to fire up the body's anti-tumor immune response. This deeper understanding is paving the way for incredible new strategies. The field of oncomicrobiotics is emerging, where doctors might use a carefully selected cocktail of bacteria to optimize a patient's gut for treatment. This could involve prebiotics, which are the fibers that feed good bacteria, or even fecal microbiota transplantation, which has already shown promise in helping some melanoma patients overcome resistance to immunotherapy. The future is personalized. Imagine a world where doctors can analyze your unique microbiome to predict how you'll respond to cancer therapy and then tailor a plan just for you. Modifying our inner ecosystem through diet or targeted oncomicrobiotics could become a standard part of cancer care. The silent, microscopic world within us holds a universe of potential. It's not just a fun fact, it's a fundamental shift in how we will fight and win the battle against cancer. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.